From the island of dreams to the throne of legends, Cristiano Ronaldo. He started with nothing but fire in his soul, kicked every shadow to reach his goal. Field he made us feel, no crown was given, he earned his way through blood and sweat, day by